What's up, family? So I just finished a little workout. I wasn't really able to film much, only because the bro was like, "Oh, you're not gonna record, are you?" I was like, "Oh yeah, I'll do a little bit of recording, but you know, just of myself." He's like, "Oh yeah," just because we're a bit shy. Like, yeah, all good, bro. Sweet as. Yeah, didn't really wanna rustle the feathers, especially on my first workout. I've come to this gym, Cook Island Fitness, and it's a very nice little gym. If you're not used to like small gyms like, you know, the Anytime Fitnesses or Jets, you know, gyms like that, this gym will be very tiny for you. But you know what, it's got the essentials, it's got everything there. They got different deals on, so I went for the $50 for 7 days. Yeah, $50 for 7 days, and you know, that's pretty good, especially for being here. I just gotta make sure I get in, because today is the day where the momentum starts. Gotta keep pushing. So any of you fam that are in a bit of a rut right now, stuck in the mud, just tell yourself, wake up, or whenever it is, you know, when you're ready, you're ready. But sometimes the best times to get stuck in is when you're not ready, and usually that's most of the time. So I've gone in there, kind of reignited the flame a little bit, and just ready to get my momentum going, like I said, get a rhythm going. So yeah, just finishing my workout. I'm heading down to pick up Sears and maybe have a little bite to eat, a little snack before we go for our actual brunch, little family brunch get together down at the Islander. But I will, as always, Sears and I will try our best to keep you guys all included and continue to have a great trip here in the Cooks. Rarotonga to be exact.
Kia ora na, welcome to Rarotonga. Guys, we just came to breakfast. It's such a beautiful day. I am so excited for today because I feel like we're gonna finally be able to visit the island or tour the island.
Massive
but
island.
We're about to go and have breakfast. There's breakfast here for free at our resort, but we also do have brunch with
the family.
Okay fam, let's get into this vlog. Let's go.
So we have got our breakfast. You would have seen a little, sorry my love. We would have seen a little whatever of all the breakfast. So Sears has chosen a bit of toast. And what's on your toast, honey? Butter. Remember, this is just a snack, guys. This is just a snack to get ready for the brunch. I've gone for some wonderful Cook Island donuts.
Wow.
Some watermelon and some pineapple here. Good for the digestion, apparently, and got me a nice little tea here.
Boy,
Mene.
Oh, they ought to chill.
Alright family, so finished food, managed to get it down. Uncle Terry gave us a bit of assistance.
Yes, thank you, Uncle Terry.
My guy.
Uncle Terry?
He's had enough for today. It's all done, man. Party's over. Billy's still in the water.
Okay guys, we're gonna go around the table, pass the GoPro around, and we're gonna rate the food that we had. So I give my food, guys, my steak was not well done.
No.
So I think I'll give it a 5. But I had some of Tux's seafood platter, so I'll give that a 10.
Seafood platter was, give it a high 8. Fish salad, I give it a 9. Always room for improvement.
Steak and salad, give it a 9. Medium rare steak. Steak mushroom.
What the medium is?
Hi fans, I had tuna sashimi with wasabi and soy sauce. I give it a 10. Chicken carbonara. Chicken carbonara, I give it a 10. Thank you.
Oh, kia ora. I had the seafood curry. I'll give it an 8. 8. Okay. Yeah, needed some shrimps.
Chicken carbonara and I rate it 9.
And the old fella had a seafood platter as well. I reckon it was pretty high up there. Probably a 9.
9.
It's better when you get it yourself though.
Hey, I had the chicken carbonara. I really enjoyed it. Maybe a little bit too much onion for my taste, but overall I give it like an 8 out of 10. We also had the oysters. Very good. The oysters were so yummy. I'd give that another 8 out of 10 as well. They were lovely with the lime, and they weren't stingy on it either. And then I got another islander, and that's a 10 out of 10.
Papa, do you want to rate it? Guys, Papa doesn't want to rate it.
Papa's happy. No rating. See, there we go, fams. Come down to the Islander.
The Islander.
Come down to the Islander, just across from the airport. Great food, great company.
Okay guys, me and Tex are gonna go home now. Someone's gonna get the bill. Pass it to Terry on that. Okay fam, so we are currently, what village is this? Hey! Be respectful to the TNS family. Okay, so we randomly just turned into the street. We've been doing that a lot, like since we came this way. Oh, that's like villas. And we thought we'd just randomly turn into this street, but look at the view. Oh honey, turn around now. We won't make it. He thinks we're gonna make this grass. No. Bruh, not in our like Jeep. Guys, have a look at our Jeep. He thinks we're gonna make it in this Jeep. Nah, bruh. We're just getting lost here in the Cook Islands. Why not, eh? Like just turn into a random street and have a look what's down there.
So now it's been a little bit past the last time we seen you guys, so we went back to the room, regather a little bit. We had some things that we had to take care of, and Says is knocking out vlogs as usual. But we were coming down to see where Uncle Ngai and the rest of them are, and then we seen the bro Mona and Auntie Tino here. So this big block of land here. Just from here, corner, I'm assuming somewhere around there. This all belongs to Uncle Mona and his brothers.
Hey guys, we just got to Papa's house.
American land.
So finally, the time has come when Vaine Papa'a is in the water. Ah, in her bath, sorry. So, gonna quickly rush over here. She's in the bath. Oh, she's literally sleeping. Are you kidding me, man? Okay, family. Gonna give her a little pat. Hey. Oh, she loves that. Hey, behind the ears. Boss, you gonna have a mud bath? Wow, she's sleeping. Papa speak. Papa's girl. You hear me? Oh, thank you, Jesus, it's true. I watched so many reviews like, bro, does this go underwater? I'm pleased to say it does, fam. For those of you that know what it's like to have GoPro, usually you need what's it called? A housing for it to go over it, which makes it waterproof to be able to take it under. But with this GoPro, family, oh, thank you, Jesus, I can take it under. And apparently it goes about 10 meters before it starts losing it. Sorry that the water's not very clear, but what are you doing? What are you doing?
What do you think?
Akono kono iatu, hey mono mono tuata, tatawa mutu kone no tawa, tatawa mutu kone no tawa. You want the last one? It's the last song.
Oh my gosh, wow! Anyway, fam, like we always say, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Kakite!
Peace out, man!